In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to sell a membership on Gumroad in 2026. First, open your browser and go to Gumroad. Then sign in to your account. After logging in, go to the Products section in the left sidebar and click New Product in the top right corner. You'll see different product types such as digital product, course or tutorial, ebook, membership and bundle. For this tutorial, select membership. Next, enter your membership name. Try to make it clear and professional so people instantly understand what they're subscribing to. For example, you could use names like Monthly Design Resources, VIP Creator Community, or Exclusive Tutorials Club. After that, set your recurring pricing. You can choose monthly payments, quarterly payments, yearly payments, or even custom recurring plans. You can also choose your currency and allow customers to pay what they want if you prefer flexible pricing. Once you finish, click Next and Customize. Now, it's time to build your membership page. Add a detailed description explaining what members receive, how often content is updated, the benefits of joining, and any exclusive perks or bonuses. A strong description helps convince visitors to subscribe. You can also customize membership tiers, supporter limits, and pricing options inside the settings. Next, upload your cover image, thumbnail, and branding visuals. You can upload them directly from your computer or through external links. After that, go to the content section. This is where you upload exclusive member content such as PDFs, videos, audio files, images, newsletters, and downloadable resources. You can also enable drip content if you want to release content gradually over time instead of giving everything instantly. Once everything is ready, click Save and Continue. Finally, click Publish to make your membership live on your Gumroad store. Customers can now subscribe automatically and access your membership content. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.